Welcome to Pivots 01. The first of 5 short lessons to try to show you how to get from having some raw data to adding additional data and finally get to pivot tables where we can analyze this data in a more sophisticated way. This particular data is a download from a weather station that recorded the different weather measurements twice an hour for 5 months. So there are over 7,000 sets of records that we have to deal with. The first thing we want to do with the raw data is just to make it a little prettier and a little bit easier to read. The first thing we'll deal with is the heading. We will just format this. We will format the font to make it bold. Fill the background with a light blue color to make it more clear. You will see later on why it's handy to see. We use blue backgrounds to show raw data and reddish backgrounds to show calculated data. We will also change the layout to wrap text, and we will center it. Now, we will format some of the data. The time data is very difficult to read. These numbers make no sense. So we will select column B to format the numbers. This is going to be a custom format, where we scroll down and look at the settings for day, month, year, hour, and minutes, and pick that. Okay. Now the time data makes sense. And now we will just format the data for temperatures, and so forth to make all the numbers with 1 decimal. Select C. Press Ctrl and pick D column. And E column. F. Wind. The gusts. And the rainfall. And set the numbers to normal number with 1 decimal point. Okay. Now we have formatted the data. You will see in the following pivot lessons why this formatting makes it easier to work with the data when we have to add additional data records by formulas to get more information out of this weather data. In Pivots 02, we will add additional time-related expressions.